Good morning to all of you. Welcome to our classes RES Knowledge Point. Today I am going to tell some interesting facts about human body. In human body there are 79 organs that vary according to their sizes, functions or actions. The 79 organs in the human body are as follows: adenoids, adrenal glands, appendix, arteries, bladder, bones, bone marrow, brain, breast, bulbourethral glands, clitoris, cochlear, colon, diaphragm, duodenum, ears, epidermis, esophagus, eyes, fallopian tubes, gallbladder, heart, hypothalamus, ileum, jejunum, kidneys, large intestine, larynx or voice box, liver, lungs, lymph nodes, nose, ovaries, pancreas, parathyroid glands, parotid glands, pineal gland, pharynx, pituitary gland, prostate, rectum, seminal vesicles, skin, spinal cord, spleen, stomach, sublingual glands, submandibular glands, teeth, testes, thymus gland, tonsils, tongue, trachea, thyroid, ureter, urethra, uterus, vagina, vas deferens, vulva, mesentery, etc. Skeletal system. There are 206 bones in the skeletal system of an adult. Bones of hands and feet alone constitute 50% of the total bones in the human body. A newborn baby has 300 bones, out of which 94 bones fuse together as she grows. The largest bone of human body is the femur in the thigh, which constitute about 27.5% of a person's stature. Average length of this bone is 50 cm. The shortest bone in the human ear is the stapes bone in the middle ear. Composition of bones: organic matter 33.3%, phosphate of lime 51.04%, carbonate of lime 11.30%, fluoride of calcium 2.00%, phosphate of magnesia 1.16%, soda or chloride of sodium 1%. Muscular system. There are about 630 important muscles in the human body. They account for about 40% of the body weight. The bulkiest muscle in the body is gluteus maximus or buttock muscle. Sartorius is the longest muscle in the body, which originates in the upper part of the hip bone and is attached to the tibia bone of the leg. Stapedius muscle in the middle ear is less than 1/20 of an inch, is the smallest muscle of our body. The strongest muscle of the body is the masseter muscle, which is located in jaw. One uses 14 muscles to smile and 43 to frown. It takes the interaction of 72 different muscles to produce human speech. Skin accounts for approximately 15% of our body weight. Skin. Skin covers the muscles of the body and is said to be the largest organ of the human body. In an adult man, skin cover is about 1.9 meter square and a woman has about 1.6 meter square of skin. The thickness of the skin varies from half to 6 mm depending on the area of our body. Each square inch of human skin consists of 600 cm of blood vessels. If taken out and joined in a straight line, the blood vessel present in the skin can measure as long as 11 miles. Most people shed 20 kg of skin in a lifetime. Heart. The heart is situated in the center of the thorax cavity, just behind the breastbone or sternum, and is enclosed in a tough membrane called the pericardium. Its average weight is about 340 gram in men and 225 gram in women. Contraction and relaxation mechanism of the ventricles result in a heartbeat of about 70 to 72 per minute in males and 78 to 82 per minute in females. Contraction of ventricles is called systole and relaxation is called diastole. Circulation of blood in the body is regulated by the heart. Our heart beats about 1 lakh times per day. The heart produces enough pressure to squirt blood 900 cm. Placed end to end, all our body's blood vessels would measure about 90,000 km. Lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy organs consisting of elastic tissue situated in the chest cavity. There are two lungs. The right lung is larger than the left. Together they weigh about 1.118 kg to 1.19 kg in a healthy adult. Their main function is to purify blood and supply oxygen to it. The entire blood supply, 4.5 to 5 liters, passes through the lungs about once a minute. The only organ in human body that can float on water are the lungs because they can hold nearly a liter of air at any moment. If all the airways running through the lungs are joined in twin, they can go up to the length of 2400 kilometers. Liver. The liver is situated on the right side of the stomach and is the largest gland in the human body. It weighs about 881.2 grams. The gallbladder is attached to the liver and stores bile produced by it. The liver is responsible for the metabolism of the products of digestion and storage and also release of substances, principally glucose, so as to maintain their constant level in blood. The liver is not only the hottest but also is the most complex internal organ of our body. The liver is the only major organ in the human body that can regenerate itself if part of it is removed. Kidneys. The two kidneys are situated in the upper posterior part of the abdominal cavity, one on each side of the vertebral column. The dimension of each kidney is approximately 10 cm long, 5 cm wide and 2.5 cm thick. They filter nitrogenous waste of the body from the blood and throw it out in the form of urine. About 5 to 6 liters of blood is filtered by 2 million nephrons 37 times a day. Human brain. Human brain consists of two parts, the brain located in the skull and the spinal cord located in the vertebral column. The weight of the average human brain triples between birth and adulthood. The final weight of the brain in an adult male is about 1.4 kg and 1.3 kg in the case of a woman, which average about 3% of the body weight. The brain uses about 20% of the oxygen a man breathes, 20% of calories a man takes, and about 15% of body blood. The master organ brain is the control center of the body, acting just like the CPU of a computer. The brain is the fattiest organ because it contains 60% of fats of its dry weight. Our brain sends messages at the rate of 375 km per hour. The average human brain has about 100 billion nerve cells. The energy used by the brain is enough to lit a 25-watt bulb. Some other curious facts about human body are as follows. The stomach takes 20 minutes to tell the brain that it is full and that one should stop eating. The 4 taste zones on our tongue are bitter, located at back, sour, backside, salty, front side, and sweet, front side. The small intestine is about 750 cm long. The large intestine is about 150 cm long and 3 times wider than the small intestine. We get a new stomach lining every 3 to 4 days. If it did not, the strong acid that our stomach uses to digest food would also digest our stomach. When we sneeze, air rushes through our nose at the rate of 156 km per hour. We blink our eyes about 20,000 times a day. Women blink twice as much as men. It is impossible to sneeze with open eyes. Our eyes are always the same size from birth, but our nose and ears never stop growing. If one is blind in one eye, he only loses about 1/5 of his vision and the sense of depth. The nose can remember 50,000 types of scents. Children grow faster in the spring season. The nail on the middle finger grows fastest. On an average of our toenails grow twice as slow as our fingernails. Our fingernails take about 6 months to grow from base to tip. The thyroid cartilage is more commonly known as Adam's apple. Thank you. To boost your knowledge,